Good morning, guys. It's Kendra. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to the beach. My parents flew into town last night. They are with my aunt and uncle right now because they didn't want to wake up all the kids when they got home late. But they're going to be staying with us for the next couple nights. So we're so excited. The girls have been asking about them every 10 minutes nonstop. So we thought we'd go to the beach today. So I'm going to meet them, pick them up, and then we're going to head to the beach because they're like 10 minutes south of us. I'm getting everybody ready right now and it's like craziness. Getting 3 kids ready for the beach solo is quite the task. What, honey?
What princess we got?
Okay.
Cinderella.
Beautiful. Okay, let me see your outfit you picked out. Wow, that is beautiful, June. And let me see Violet's. Okay. Wow. That is so cute. You do it while riding ahead. Okay, go ahead. Oh. Are you singing Welcome to New York? Can you sing the actual words to me? Sing the words. Welcome to New York. June calls it Welcome to the York. Where'd Owen go? Owen?
But you say welcome to New York.
Welcome to New York.
But you say welcome to New York.
Oh no. Oh no. Owen? You're into everything. What's up? What happened? Okay, Jenny, you need to be gentle, okay? Alright, let's go downstairs, okay? Hey girls, do you want to bring the spatula with you to the beach to dig in the sand? Okay. Okay, let's bring that. I can't hold it right now, I don't have any hands. Where's the other spatula? Is it in the bag still?
Yeah, it's in the black bag.
Okay, go put it in the black bag downstairs. I was also diffusing these this morning because we have so much smoke in our air right now from all the fires. So I had lemon and raven going and it smells so good. It's like minty and kind of sweet and fresh. So I'm gonna turn that off right now. Oh, and last night we had our hardware installed. So obviously we're still painting everything, but we're just doing like little things at a time. And this was just something we could do right now. And I love it so much. They obviously are gonna fill these holes in once they paint, but it adds like such a different vibe to the kitchen already. I just think they look so, so good. So I'll link these for you guys if any of you are doing any renovations soon. I love it so much. I made...
What will you do when we get there?
Yeah. I made peanut butter and jelly sandwiches and have some snacks here. Okay, we're gonna bring these. Honestly, we haven't been to the beach in so long. The last time we went could have been when my parents were last here. I don't know, which is pretty crazy.
Mama, I'm the watermelon. Guinea's the rainbow.
You're so cute. Are you so excited to see Mimi Bonky? Okay.
Get out here and
Hey, Violet, can you do me a favor? Get all these towels and put them on the chairs, okay? Just so we know to put them in the car. Just do one at a time so they're lighter. And a mask in case.
They're not good for you. So that's
You're little but mighty.
what?
You're little but mighty.
No.
No?
No.
Okay. Got our keys. Sunglasses. Okay.
Here's it
On your hair, June.
it's a headband.
It's beautiful.
Where'd they go?
They got glammed up for the beach.
This is for you, Mimi.
For me? Thank you. It's beautiful. Can I put it in my hair? Oh, I'm so excited.
What?
While you're back here, can you close it from
Can
in
you do
there?
a pose?
Close, yeah. Do you need me to close it?
I can climb in.
You're going to the back?
I love
You're
all
going to the very
colors.
back?
I think I like the blue.
Somebody has
It's
to.
matching my hair.
Well, unless...
Yes.
You like the pink
see.
too?
I can go in the little
Mimi,
car.
look at my
Just
look at
got
Mimi,
to
my
the
Ariel
beach.
piece.
Cute. I love
You
them.
ready to go in the water,
My
Ellen?
cow was pink
What a
and
fancy-
purple. I'm taking...
You're so excited.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm taking a video. Give me a pose. Beautiful. Let's get all of our stuff, okay?
Okay.
All right, stay by the car, okay?
Right there. Here. It's a bumpy road.
Here we go.
There's a lot of bumps. It's a bumpy road. Oh, what's the control value?
Oh, there we go.
Oh, there goes your confetti.
I'm so excited.
Maybe we can find Carol.
Yeah. We have our setup and we have the beach, honestly, to ourselves. There is nobody here. It's so awesome.
Good?
But they're still dirty.
Oh, okay, let's go wash them in the water. Come on.
These rocks in a ring.
Honestly, happy guy.
Keep your mouth on.
Wash it off.
Are you gonna bury Owen? You don't like getting dirty, huh? You don't like getting dirty. She likes to be very clean. She took off her bathing suit. She was over it. June, on the other hand, is rolling in the dirt. And Owen does not like the water. He just likes the sand and digging. All right, we are back from the beach. Owen fell asleep in the car, and then I put him back down in his crib and he fell right asleep. And the girls never used to do that. They would be awake once I took him out of the car, but he's been asleep for a really long time. He's so tired. He loved the beach, but he did not like the water. He like freaked him out. I have both the girls in their room napping because my parents are in the room Violet sleeps in and they are not asleep right now, but at least they get a little bit of alone, not even alone time, I don't know, a little bit of peace for us.
Cotton candy. Cotton candy. And this one says, hey!
Sorry, I just want to get your hair to your face. Oh, okay.
Nice that they named that after her.
Who's behind the gate? Who's behind the gate?
Ow!
Who's behind the gate?
What? Let's go after the Let's go on the steps. Mother, look what's over here. Here's our house. Oh, and here's our...
Oh, cute. What'd you do with this?
we put this on
Are they all decorations?
there. No, we're going to take them out.
Oh, you don't like them?
No.
Okay.
We're going to put them
Okay, all the kids are upstairs playing. I'm making these muffins. I got these from Trader Joe's this week, the gluten-free pumpkin bread. I'm doing muffins with it. So I use coconut oil, eggs, water, and then the mix. And I have them in here. I wasn't sure how much it was gonna make, so they look like pretty big muffins. You could always add chocolate chips to these. That would make it really good too. But I'm gonna keep them plain just because I wanna give these to Owen too. And if there's chocolate in it, it gets super messy. So I'm gonna bake these at 400, but I think these will just be so good for breakfast or just a snack.
Gonna make a wish.
Wowie, you're doing good.
Did it fly away?
Jump, 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 jump.
Jump.
Woo.
Be careful because this really hurts your feet.
Get Owen over here. Look at him.
Owen! Okay, let me get my sunglasses on, okay? Hi. Man, that's got that. Hi.
Okay, we got dinner. We got some Mexican food,
3.5 ounces.
takeout.
Carry out.
Hey. Want to say hi? What are you doing?
Yeah, flying's not as fun as it used to be.
Ah!
vlog here. We just watched like 5 episodes of Schitt's Creek.
Mm-hmm.
It's
It's
funny.
really funny.
It was funny.
And it's 9 o'clock and I am so tired. I feel so old.
I know it's 9 o'clock. I'm super tired. But I went to the beach, so I feel like I have an excuse that wipes you out.
You do. I'm just old.
And the girls are sleeping in together in the same room and they fell asleep so fast they were so tired.
Nothing makes me happier. I love when they sleep together.
So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog and see you soon.
Have a good night.
Bye.